Love meatballs? Try this healthy twist. We're using quinoa and turkey, good for you and full of flavor. Quinoa instead of breadcrumbs? Genius! It's gluten-free and packed with protein. Turkey is a leaner meat than beef. It's a healthier choice. These meatballs are super versatile. Serve them with your favorite pasta. Try them with zucchini noodles for a lighter meal. They're even great on their own as a tasty snack. Ready to cook? You only need a few simple ingredients. 1 pound ground turkey, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 egg, half a cup chopped onion, and your favorite herbs and spices. I love Italian seasoning. That's it, see? Easy peasy. Let's make some meatballs. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius if baking. 2. Combine all ingredients in a large bowl. Mix them well with your hands. 3. Roll the mixture into small meatballs, about the size of a golf ball. 4. For classic meatballs, heat some olive oil in a pan. Cook the meatballs over medium heat until browned on all sides. 5. For baked meatballs, place the meatballs on a baking sheet. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until cooked through. Your meatballs are ready. How will you enjoy them? Serve them with your favorite pasta sauce. Try a simple tomato sauce or a creamy pesto. Zucchini noodles are a delicious and healthy alternative. Want a lighter option? Baked meatballs are the way to go. They're just as flavorful and juicy. Enjoy!